Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss the Q card from January to April 2025 speaking topics. At IELTS with Pri and Aman, we discuss all the Q cards. To know more about our online classes, please contact on the number given on the screen. So the Q card is: describe a time you made a promise to someone. You should say what the promise was, to whom you made it, whether it was easy or difficult to keep, and explain why you made it. Well, promises are commitments we make to ourselves or others to do something in the future. Commitments, wow, kind of like we will undertake something, that's a commitment. These promises are fundamental to building trust, maintaining relationships, and achieving personal and collective goals. One significant promise I made was to dedicate myself to preparing for the IELTS exam and to strive for a high band score. Strive, like try hard. Okay, that means strive. This involved committing to a study schedule, practicing all sections of the exam, and ensuring I was well prepared on test day. I made this promise to my parents as they have always been supportive of my educational pursuits are activities, and believed in my ability to succeed. Their encouragement and faith in me motivated me to make this commitment. However, keeping this promise was challenging at times, as I was working full time as an office administrator and balancing IELTS preparation with other responsibilities, including a full time job, which required discipline and time management. There were moments when I felt overwhelmed and doubted my progress. However, I remained focused on my goal and sought support from resources like practice materials and study groups. Also, I made this promise to my parents because I wanted to study abroad and showcase them that their support and belief in me was not in vain. In vain means that it will not go in waste. Also, achieving a high band score in IELTS would open up opportunities to study at the best universities and would make them proud. Additionally, I wanted to prove to myself that I could overcome challenges and achieve my goals through hard work and dedication. Okay, so this was the cue card. Describe a time you made a promise to someone. I hope you liked this video. Thank you, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.